Hey, it's Andrew Brown, and we are talking about encrypted secrets. So, encrypted secrets are variables that allow you to pass sensitive information to your GitHub action workflows. Secrets are accessed via the secrets context. So, that's secrets dot, and then whatever you want your secret is. And it has a few different levels. We have the organizational level, the repo level, and the environment level. What you need to understand is that the lower the level, the more it overrides the ones from the top level. So, if you have a secret called hello at the organization level, and one at the environment level called hello, the one at the environment level value will overtake. Secret names can only contain alphanumeric characters, underscores, no spaces. So that example there would be the case. You can't prefix it with GitHub in all caps with an underscore. Names must start with numbers. Sorry, I felt like a rumble in my office, and that's why I paused. I think there was just a big train that went by. Anyway, sorry about that. There we go. Names are case insensitive. Names must be unique at the level they are created at. People don't know I live right beside a train station, and my office is in a shed behind my house. And the idea is that I have multiple layers to avoid from the train, but sometimes there's nothing you can do about it. But anyway, so we have passing secrets as inputs. So you can pass secrets as inputs by using secrets context. So that is an example there. But I mean, like, the point is that, you know, you could interpolate whatever you want there to pass it into a custom action. And we'll talk about custom actions in another video. You can pass secrets as nvars. So that is another way that you could do that. And why would you do inputs versus nvars? It just really depends on your use case. So maybe you have something that is a program you're using and it can only use nvars. Whereas with secrets, it's okay to do that on the left-hand side because of the way it works. But I just want to point out here, we did this in another video, but if you want to make that an nvar, you'd have to map it like that. I think we did that for something earlier, but hopefully you know what that is. So about how you set a secret. So you can use the GitHub CLI. So we have a GH secret set, which is probably how we're going to do it. Then we have GH secret set for a specific environment or at the org level. So depending on how you do a flag, it's going to be different. The default apparently is repository, and you can also specify the repo, which we have here. You could do that up here as well if you want to, but there you go.